Hi everyone, in this video we are going to discuss question number 85 of AP EAMCET 2020 17th September morning shift. For physics it is question number 5. Okay. So in this question it is said that when a body slides down on inclined plane with coefficient of friction mu, then its acceleration will be. So let us consider a inclined plane. Okay. On that a body is sliding. Okay. So this is our inclined plane with angle theta and a body is sliding on this one. So the weight will be acting downwards, that is mg, and a normal is acting, that is n here. The same, and with the same value here it is acting mg cos theta, and acceleration is towards downwards because it is inclined plane. So it will be equals to mg sin theta, and the frictional force is trying to resist this one, which is equals to mu mg cos theta. Hope this figure is clear. Now we know that force is equals to mass into acceleration. Now here force is equals to mg sin theta minus, because this is in this direction, I am taking this one in opposite direction, so it will be minus mu mg cos theta. Okay. Now if I take m common here, it will be equals to m times of g sin theta minus mu g cos theta. So if I compare these two equations, so this m is equals to this one and a is equals to g sin theta minus mu g cos theta. If I take g common here, it will be sin theta minus g cos minus mu cos theta, which is our answer. If you look at this one, the option 1 is g the option 1 is g times of sin theta minus mu cos theta, which is our answer. Hope this is clear. So in the same way, Unacademy is also offering classes for you. You can join in Unacademy classes and access your free courses. To access free courses, you have to enter a referral code. You can use our referral code, that is SADVUBIDDA. By using this referral code, you will be getting 10% instant discount, plus you can access free classes, plus you can access special classes, you can access mock test. So when you install Unacademy, you have to enter our referral code to access all these. Okay. So these are a new batch is starting on December 24th, 2020. So you can join that batch to crack EAMCET 2021. For EAMCET Medical also a batch is starting on the same date. You can join that batch, and these are the faculty members who will be teaching you. In that you have to use our referral code to get 10% instant discount. So this will be helpful. You can save money and crack EAMCET examination. So this is a great news. So you have to share with your friends. Don't forget to share our referral code so that they can be benefited with our referral code. So this will be very helpful in your EAMCET 2021 preparation. Thank you for watching the video. Please share with your friends.